Hello guys and welcome to Engineering Rebel, and in this video we are going to be talking about the engineering design process. There are 7 steps to the engineering design process, and today we're going to be breaking each one down and I'm going to explain what each one does. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, there are 7 steps to the engineering design process. The first step is to define the problem. The second step is to do background research. The third step is to specify requirements. The fourth one is to brainstorm, evaluate, and choose a solution. The fifth one is to develop and prototype a solution. And then test your solution. If your test does not meet the requirements, you have to change the solution and test it again. And at the very end, after you've tested your product, you have to communicate your results with your team. Now that I've explained the 7 steps of the engineering design process, now I'm going to explain what each step does. So, defining the problem. When you observe the problems, ask questions like what is the problem, who has the problem, and why it's important to solve. The next one is do background research. So when doing research, it's important to learn from others as well as their mistakes. This can help you solve existing problems and avoid ones that you've already made. When doing research, search for existing solutions or from user experience. Specify requirements to identify the design requirements for your solution. It is important to analyze the concrete example of similar existing product, noting each of its key features. Brainstorm, evaluate, and choose a solution. You should focus on just one solution before looking at all the alternatives. It's best to do things in order step by step, so this way your chances of succeeding are higher. Develop and prototype a solution. Development involves the refinement and improvement of a solution, and it continues through the design process, even after the product ships to customers. A prototype is an operating version of a solution. Often, it is made with different materials than the final version. Prototypes are a key step in development of a final solution, allowing the designer to test how the solution will operate. Then you have to test your solution. When you test your solution, you will look for and find new problems. Make the changes and test the new solutions before settling on a final design. And finally, communicating results. At the end, you should communicate all your results to others in a final report or even a presentation. It is recommended that you document your end results. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been wanting to make this video for a while. I feel that every engineer should know these 7 steps to help them in the future. Even if you're not an engineer and you're planning on being an engineer, I feel that this is a great preparation for your future and how engineers solve problems. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.